development, you might talk of it, but if people are not healthy, we cannot move forward.
And to Cross River State, where Governor Basi Otu has restated his administration's commitment to a people-centered government with a special focus on nutrition, preventive healthcare, and education. Speaking in Calabar, the state capital, while receiving the special assistant to the president on public health, Mrs. Uju Rochas Amuka, Governor Otu explains that his government deliberately designed policies to place citizens at the center of development, stressing that education and health remain the foundation for human capital growth.
At the point where you have a formative age, where the cerebral content must be able to be built properly, mature properly. From the time of the top delivery that we need today, it became clear that nutrition forms a very important. We also look at the fact that preventive health is far more than tackling when actually the elements are setting. We say, well, the best is to build and strengthen our nutrition sector. We may take all the bread, but we're determined to change the narrative in a very short time. So we set up our targets and say we have to attain all these targets. By then, we never knew that the federal government also has this noble intention for Nigerians, and that they are also diagnosed and know that there is need to at least have a very strong immune base, right from infants to being adults.
On public health describes malnutrition as a national emergency, noting that Nigeria ranks first in Africa and second globally in child malnutrition. She explains that the Nutrition 774 initiative was designed as a multi-sectorial framework anchored on a 5-phase strategic plan to improve nutritional outcomes across all local government areas.
The best way to measure impact of any government is through the well-being of the ordinary person in any given area. So we say to you, Your Excellency, keep it up. Your Excellency, our objective for this state advocacy visit, as directed by the Vice President of the Federal Republic, is one, to inaugurate the State Council on Nutrition as the highest decision-making body on nutrition in the state. Number two, to hold a town hall meeting with key stakeholders comprising of the State Committee on Food and Nutrition, of course the newly inaugurated State Council on Nutrition, which you will do, Your Excellency, and the local government chairman, high-level traditional leaders and religious leaders, during which the N774 will be officially flagged by Your Excellency as directed in our mandate.